Industrial Farm Stable Restoration. The lower stable of the industrial farm has been restored to reflect the early 1940s. At that time, the stable provided shelter for a small herd of Jersey cattle, a team of workhorses, and a mare. It also stored an abundance of produce in its large root cellar. The Industrial Farm, 1877 to 1947. Stable interior, circa 1909. In 1937, the stable was completely remodeled and enlarged, and new steel equipment installed. The overhang was filled in adding a bullpen, 2 rows of milking stalls, and additional windows. The stable fixtures were purchased locally from Beatty Brothers Limited of Fergus. In the decades following, some livestock pens and stalls were modified or removed. Many had been damaged or reconfigured for an alternative purpose. Stable interior before restoration. Cracks and markings in the concrete floor provided many clues to the original 1937 layout. Heifer pen to the left, maternity pen to the right. 4 calf pens on top, detail of floor showing placement below. Stone walls were repaired and whitewashed. The ceiling, pens, and fixtures were cleaned of dirt and whitewash accumulations. New lighting and public safety features were added. The Freeman Company of Rockwood, Ontario reconstructed missing components of the penning and stalls. They manufactured Beatty parts to the original Beatty design. Installation of reproduction calf pens. Pouring concrete curbs for heifer pens and maternity pen. Restoration of horse stalls. Box stall on top, broodmare stall below. Original components were left in a cleaned but as-is condition. Reproduction components are presented as they would have looked when new. Bullpen before and after cleaning and repair. The root cellar stored turnips and mangels for livestock feed, as well as garden produce for residents of the House of Industry. Root cellar before and after repairs. Litter carrier saved considerable time and labor in moving manure from the stalls to the manure pile outside. Litter carrier track and switch before cleaning. carrier's cedar pole A-frame had rotted and was unsafe. Installing the new A-frame. The feed manger of the milking stalls had been filled in with 1 foot of concrete. Most stanchions and water bowls were missing. Removing concrete from manger. Original stanchion and water bowl on which reproductions were based. The House of Industry stable.